Hey guys, so 6:30 a.m. here at Yosemite National Park. We hiked for about 6 hours yesterday and camped out. See that ladder there? That's where we're climbing up to the summit. You can see the sun rising over this way. We just hiked, I think we're at 8,000 feet. I'm not sure. This is Chris. I hope he doesn't mind being on camera. He's from Germany. Our French companion, Stefan. Our other German companion is somewhere down the hill. Taking it easy, taking his time. We woke up around 4:50 a.m. Have been hiking for a couple hours now. If we look over here, over the edge, we came from somewhere just down there, I believe. But yeah, pretty awesome view. Definitely worth the work. I'll do another video a little bit later on.
Danger! If a thunderstorm is anywhere on the horizon, do not pass beyond this sign. Lightning has struck Half Dome during every month of the year. Si miente una tormenta, no pase este punto. El relámpago que sobre Half Dome cada mes del año.
See any lightning? Nope. See the beautiful sun on the horizon. Well, we can't see it yet, but it's coming. So let's hike up this bad boy.
This is a little bit harder since I'm using one hand to hold the GoPro, but I can switch hands. Cables are pretty cold. Might switch off so I can use both hands because it's a pretty steep climb. Yeah, you can see just like I'm going to switch off, do the safe thing, and catch up with you guys at the top. Hey guys, checking in again. Just climbed this far up. I don't know if you can really judge just how steep this is, but it is fucking steep. Pardon my French. But I had about that much way to go, a little bit more than halfway. This steel line that I'm holding on to, it's really cold, and I have bare hands. But I mean, this thing is steep. If I'm not holding on, I'm definitely going to fall, so take a little pain in my hands versus falling to my demise. And I'm not exaggerating this at all, it's pretty intense. You can see, just to get some scale, you can see my 3 companions over there, those little specks, so we're high up. But the view is incredible, and I'm sure once we get to the top it's going to be even better, so yeah. A little bit more to go, check in soon. Hey guys, I'm absolutely out of breath, as you can see. That climb I did was so steep. From this plateau I can't even see down the ropes. Straight vertical, 80-degree climb. I'm absolutely drained. Not exaggerating this at all. Yeah, that was challenging. We were just about here at the top. It's pretty spectacular. Just look out there. Sun still hasn't come up over the mountains. On my tripod here, you can see the set up my tripod, get some nice photos. Have a little breather, have some water, some agua. See what the sign says on the cables. Unlawful to throw rocks or other material climbers may be below. It'd probably be a pretty dick move to throw some rocks down. That looks like a good spot over there, but I think this actual summit is just up over here, and as I suspect, it's going to be a pretty crazy view. Other side of this hill. So how about we do like a romantic date? I'll blindfold you guys and I'll guide you to this summit, the last few steps with me, and just like on a romantic date, I'll show you and you'll be like, oh, Aaron, you're so romantic. Alright, so we're gonna blindfold you. Trust me, I'm not gonna push you over the edge. Alright. Stepping on a few rocks here. We're getting close. Don't worry, you can trust Aaron. Not gonna throw you over the edge. Let's see. Don't wanna get too close, but alright. 1, 2, 3. Look at that view. Whew. Look at that view. See over the edge there. See the sun just starting to peak on those crests. Wow. Yeah, there's the sun right there, about to just peek over those mountains. All worth it. All worth it. Waking up at 4:50 a.m. hiking for 2 hours in the freezing cold. It's literally probably about I think one of my companions had a thing on his watch thermometer. It was about I believe 12 degrees Celsius this morning, so yeah, it's pretty chilly, especially at this altitude, but it was all worth it.
Do you want to know what enlightenment is? It's with you every moment. It's a back and forth, back and forth. Letting go of your attachment to yourself, to outcomes. Letting go to the way things are.
Just doing a little bit of exploring up here, collecting my thoughts, and really enjoying the experience. And yeah, I just wanted to share the experience, you know, with everyone back at home, and encourage you guys to, you know, you don't have to climb a mountain, but push yourself for something you want to do. There can be some great payoffs, right? I was thinking on the way up here, how do you climb a set of stairs? One step at a time, you know? And then I asked myself, how do you climb a mountain? And the answer is the exact same thing as how you climb a set of stairs. It's just scaling up. Really putting your mind to things and making things happen. You know, you get out what you put in. And that's my advice for the day. Tip of the day, you get out what you put in. There's a lot to take away if you choose to. So I highly encourage you guys to push yourself, challenge yourself. Yeah, not gonna go on any more about that. Take a couple last beautiful views.
I could sense the lifetime of judgment against myself.